Fiverr is an online marketplace where individuals and businesses can buy and sell digital services, including graphic design, writing, programming, video editing, music production, and more. The platform was launched in 2010 and has since become one of the largest and most popular online marketplaces for freelancers and clients to connect and do business. Fiverr's name is derived from its original business model of offering services for a starting price of $5. Although sellers can offer services at higher prices as well. The platform allows sellers to create listings for their services, which buyers can browse and purchase directly. Fiverr also provides tools for communication, payment processing, and dispute resolution to facilitate transactions between buyers and sellers. Fiverr has a global reach and connects freelancers and clients from around the world. The platform has become a popular destination for businesses of all sizes looking for affordable and high-quality digital services, and for freelancers looking for a reliable platform to showcase their skills and connect with clients. Here are some popular services that people sell on Fiverr. Graphic design, logos, banners, flyers, etc. Writing and translation, articles, blog posts, proofreading, editing, etc. Video editing and animation, voiceover and narration, digital marketing, SEO, social media management, email marketing, etc. Programming and web development, music and audio production, business consulting and coaching, virtual assistants and administrative support, illustration and cartooning, 3D modeling and rendering, data entry and research, photography and photo editing, game development and design, resume and cover letter writing, product design and prototyping, UX, UI design and testing, transcription and captioning, e-commerce services, Amazon, Shopify, etc. Legal services, contracts, agreements, etc. Keep in mind that Fiverr is a very dynamic platform and the popularity of certain services can change over time. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.